Masona minya both the legal point of view and of course another experienced party member adventure lawyer Obiri Boahen, a former deputy general secretary of the party and of course a lawyer and not just a lawyer, a very astute lawyer. Lawyer Obiri Boahen enyumre ma memo ajomo akwaba emra akoma FM Kovia Santini Ghana akoma suni bibi abokodi danyamiase enyumre minimsa. Once upon a time, now you were busy at this time defending everywhere with party directives from the Abba. And then at least what take one hobe bineja o bo umpabo anu eti di omoka.
Oh, me one am here Chelsea in Liverpool.
I will hear Chelsea in
Liverpool. That was football there.
Hey, wow there. But obi nyanshe obi entino. Hopefully say be na Liverpool team na say something of that sort.
Meanwhile, the indictment of Donald Trump.
It's one of the dangerous things I have come to believe. Say America would do that, and he's under arrest now.
It's not dangerous. It tells you that.
Oh my advance ya call many.
The summer you can say, "Oh man, you call."
And because you have the former president of the United States of America being arrested now. He's more or less under arrest because of
the United States of America.
Yes,
president,
they don't care about anybody.
And you know, the African leaders,
Ghana, the NPP background. Do you know me? Do you know me?
How do they feel in Africa? From one. It's
on CNN now. You have the FBI and other state security alcohol now or more corner off areas of his house and ensuring and it's like they don't care.
Offer plane about Trump Towers. I know it's a different world. Look, African intellectuals should stop talking about slave trade, colonialism, Africa.
And interestingly,
it is Africa. The burn of Africa is that
yeah, what problem? I would say a few parties.
Irresponsible character be, reckless character be, not OD mind be so.
But
irresponsible character be, reckless character be, no do position in Africa.
Lawyer people, interestingly, I would say they me share party ma and then the supporters. They are only expressing their concern, but obi anywhere omo ye demonstration. Ghana hanka sabi nipa be 5 krana.
There's a very difference between a brochure and a people. A brochure no dey a swatch mamu and a brochure. Look at how things are going on and no actually. And so we monitor the events. Now, case we are Ghana winning or Norway. The Norwegian company now you appeal. Norwegian company you appeal so the court review no appeal ni ya check. It Ghana as now winning. And no, it looks like no baby. Yeah, 1 minute. Quiet beam. Coffee.
Okay. So lawyer, I don't know, but now you share very quick one.
It shouldn't be a quick.
Can come.
NPP directives.
Yes.
So it shouldn't be a quick.
Very quick because I want to get a very brief position on you. Now, the party position and it's Obi Biara, we are MMDC and party executive uncontested. Can come no did say they should go beyond these two bodies because you will see you will be brioa or mabe uremua or moha drink cry a chain the MMDC's net one.
Yes, it is true.
What's your concern?
Yes, it is true. But the truth of the matter is that party no de tabonto PC so them see so many party no yadwene. Look, go back to 208 ebani say NPP for this answer we buy. But I saw ko nipa mienu be konna. Ni sa sema na sensi na moko. Sa sema na sensi no. Nyan yesi na ne be ko. Yesi no. NPP nka bi nhemu from 1992 yetiye. Na ibenya to me in 2000. 2004 MCs TCs contested certain MPs in some degree. Then 2008 and also this year. Now this year MCB and I may be why am I going to suppress or contest no? And one more MP in term 1 2 1 3 some confirm. In 2008, I presented, I think about 62 DCs, MCs, mayors, 62.
Almost cases were
called. Now call as parliamentary candidates.
Okay.
I do some you. You look at that winning here. No, there were some of them were unpopular, but because when we DC MC, you know, was a air select here, the police station executive.
Yeah.
I made a young canoe, young so pan young canoe. As well be a no, when you go to Kuro Num de Qua, the better no, unya bibi kwa never trauma. But no number to mama, it doesn't reflect or support in that area. It at the top constituencies, no, I'm using to talk. Sunny Abia Better here. And then police stations, no, executives, no. We talk primaries one winning.
Okay.
To general elections. I do see me no other question. Me no part about winning here. Me no part. And effect on the party. I do see me no part. Now 28 years free so. 2012 year choir. 2016. Yeah. Now, the problem was that now the national first year view. No channel. It was at M Plaza Hotel. Then the national executives and the national council. We took that decision. So I had a project at the party. I'm putting on part. I didn't know the band. Why? Where the band can say, but I said, we MC. Now we DC. So only where we are sitting MPs. Where we are sitting MPs. So you are sitting MPs. Oh. Now we are DC super so Grabia or resign.
Okay. So you think it's the best decision for the party?
My deep party, my deputy general secretary, 2 times, ABC that or NPP. Into me can people more.
You are an authority. I know.
Exactly. So that is it.
I see.
Now the issue of CEOs. That kind of reason. We MC.
Okay.
Ground.
Okay.
Ground. Nti wo prefer o kwa system no kra o prefer ko kru we sukre campaign patrol no enye ni sika enye company sika e assembly nyema bi ko ba e meant for the assembly na no dey see obama or the bayan campaign. So this arrangement now yes said enye ya ba bibiara ɛnyɛ baabi bia ɛyɛ nea yɛwɔ certain MP because baabi a yɛnyi certain MP no ɛno deɛ DC is
I open for all. Lawyer Obiri Boahen, I am grateful.